Welcome. This is Annette Ferris, Advanced Master Gardener at English Gardens, Royal Oak, helping to make your life more beautiful. Hydrangeas are among the best loved plants because they provide long-lasting color from late spring to the autumn frost. One of the most common questions I received is, why don't my hydrangeas bloom? There are a few reasons. Number one, your hydrangea was pruned at the wrong time of the year. This can affect all varieties. The big leaf and mountain hydrangea are pruned in the late summer to fall. There will not be any stems old enough to bloom the next year. Prune smoothleaf Annabelle type in the very early spring, mid-late April or late fall only. They will bloom every year on new wood. You can follow the same guidelines for pruning panicle hydrangea, limelight type. For oak leaf hydrangea, the only correct time to prune is right after the flowers start to fade. Oak leaf blooms on old wood, but that wood is much more hardy and survives well through our frigid winters. Number two, deer are eating the flowers and new growth. This can also affect all varieties. Deer will eat every hydrangea in their sight and prevent them from flowering. To avoid this, plant hydrangea in fenced-in areas or apply deer repellents to deter them. Remember that repellents must be reapplied as a plant grows, otherwise their new growth is unprotected. Number three, for certain varieties like big leaf and serrated mountain, it may be that the winter was just too cold. These are the ones that have pink, blue, or lilac flowers, depending on the soil pH in which they are planted. Big leaf and mountain hydrangea bloom on last year's stems, so they must survive winter in order to flower. Our winters typically are cold enough to kill these old stems. When this happens, all the growth comes from the base and it does not flower. New varieties bloom on new and old wood, but this means the new stem has to grow for a good portion of the summer before it is ripe enough to flower. English Gardens offers many reliable reblooming collections, including Endless Summer, Everlasting Series, Revolution, and many more. If you have questions about your hydrangeas, you can visit any English Gardens to speak to one of our experts or visit englishgardens.com/hydrangeas. This is Annette at English Gardens Royal Oak, hoping to see you in the store.